Anthropologists and archaeologists are explorers of human culture. Their work is closely connected. Both careers focus on the way people live together. Anthropologists study the origin of humans and their physical, social, and cultural development. They are concerned with how the past relates to the present. They also conduct research by going to locations to ask questions and make observations. An archaeologist is a kind of anthropologist. Archaeologists study past societies through their material remains. They recover and examine material evidence, such as ruins, tools, and pottery remaining from past human cultures. With this evidence, they build an understanding of the history, customs, and living habits of earlier civilizations. Archaeologists often travel to sites called digs, where they search for remnants of societies. Together, they create a picture of a society. We often think of anthropology and archaeology in terms of the past, unearthing the secrets of ancient civilizations. But these scientists also examine living societies in faraway Amazon jungles or in a neighborhood next door. They might study gender differences, physical attributes, music, or religion. Their field is the wide array of human social experience. Usually their work is sponsored by a museum, university, or foundation. But they might also be independent filmmakers or authors.
In 2013, researchers at Oxford University did a study on the future of work. They concluded that almost 1 in every 2 jobs have a high risk of being automated by machines. Now, machine learning is the technology that's responsible for most of this disruption. It's the most powerful branch of artificial intelligence. It allows machines to learn from data and mimic some of the things that humans can do. Now, my company, Kaggle, operates on the cutting edge of machine learning. We bring together hundreds of thousands of experts to solve important problems for industry and academia. So this gives us a unique perspective on what machines can do, what they can't do, and what jobs they might automate or threaten. So machine learning started making its way into industry in the early 90s, and it started with relatively simple tasks. It started with things like assessing credit risk from loan applications, sorting the mail by reading handwritten characters from zip codes. Over the past few years, we have made dramatic breakthroughs. Machine learning is now capable of far, far more complex tasks.
In today's society, we use passwords to access some of the most critical information for our government and our businesses alike. We rely on usernames and passwords. To identify people, we give them a passport and trust that the picture on it is theirs, or the driver's license hasn't been tampered with. That's not good enough anymore in the days that we live in. You have fingerprint, facial, iris, and of course voice that all have biometric patterns to it. For example, the voice has specific points of highs and lows that is unique to you. On your fingerprint, there's several minutia points and delta patterns and grooves that create a unique ID so that when you come back, it can be matched out of many. We're identifying people at borders with facial recognition software. Even some of the higher-end laptops today come with facial recognition software to allow you access to your laptop. With a swipe of a finger, you can gain access to your PC, gain access for single sign-on to your network. So not only is it secure, but it's easy as well. We'll see technology that they're using in Asia with cell phones passing credentials to vending machines for convenience. So I think as the technology emerges, our identities will be better protected. It will be easier for us to give our identity that says we are who we are versus us just telling who we are.